You can now control how long your AI agent's replies are. To set this, go to Automations, then AI Agents, select your agent, and open Settings. You'll find a Response Verbosity option with 3 choices: concise, balanced, or detailed. Concise keeps replies short and to the point. Balanced gives a natural middle ground, and detailed allows for fuller, more in-depth answers. Balanced is set by default. This is controlled per agent. You might want short, punchy replies for quick support, or more detailed responses where the extra depth genuinely helps your customer. It's a simple way to shape the feel of every conversation with no prompt editing required. For more assistance, visit the Talk.to Academy or book a call with an AI Assist specialist today.